Jitoata! Good morning from Comrade Quinko, Quanko and Savsky come to the beach. They tell me to come here and throw the ball for this dog. I come to the east here for this most beautiful Soviet beach. I throw this ball against the wall for the dog. It much like the ball we have over in Berlin. We chuck the ball off the Berlin wall. Come on, Quinko Quankov. Yes, beautiful Soviet dog. Hey, Quinkov, you bring this ball here. Are you ready? I chuck it like Brezhnev chucked nuclear weapons at Ronald Reagan in the 80s. What you are looking at here is superior communist dog. You bring this here. You obey your master. Are you ready? Oh, the high jumping here of Soviet dog. Much better than your Western dogs. I will chuck this. This dog, he likes to come here. This pipe leads all the way to Leningrad. Where are you going? We need to bring this canine beast back over here. Eastern dog. Old Russian proverbs say, dogs that not eat breakfast get no dinner. So we will continue on our journey east, Mr. Dog. Are you ready? I'm going to throw this. I expect you to catch. Superior Russian dog. He is the best. Jitoata!